Costumes play a crucial role in any animation. No, I am not talking about Spider-Man's or Superman's dress. Basically, costume is a series of still images that taken at different positions at different points of time. These still images put together and played in a sequence then form animation. Here still images are nothing but costumes. By the end of this video, you know how to use these costumes in our code so that our sprite looks more lively. Stay with me. Hello everyone, it's Zitu. I am here to empower your kids' programming skills. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how to use costumes to look our sprite more lively. Also, we will discuss two new coding blocks called Next Costume and Switch Costume 2. Let's get started. Open Scratch tool. Let's take a new sprite. This time I will take bear. Select bear from sprite list. Our bear is ready. I need to move this bear to 10 steps forward. So what we need to do? Just drag and drop move blocks to our code area and click on it. Bear moved 10 steps forward, but doesn't really looks like it's walking. To make this happen, go to the costumes tab, which is next to the code tab. If you see the left side, there are 8 still images used. Each still image has its own unique name. If you want to change this costume name, you can change it from here. If we switch between these still images continuously, then this bear to be look like he is walking. If you see in the middle section, we have plenty of options to customize our sprite. Still, if we want to add any new costumes to this existing costume collection, we can add from choose a costume option. Click on this choose a costume option and see any new costumes are available for our bear. Yes, there are 2 more new costumes are available. Let's add these 2 as well. So whatever the modifications we are doing, the same modifications are reflecting in the output pane. Here bear's head is not properly displaying in the output pane. So adjust the bear costume in such a way that it is visible properly in the output pane. Now let's see how this is working. Now switch to coding tab. From looks category, drag and drop switch costumes to block. This block is used to switch a particular costume based on our requirement. If you want to select standing bear, then select bear B. Bear B is the costume name which we have discussed earlier. Drag and drop next costume block. Click on it. For each click, next costume is displaying. Now it seems like bear is walking. Join this next costume block with move block. Run the code again to check the output. Perfect. It is moving now. To move bear continuously, we need to enclose these blocks inside forever block or repeat block. Let's try with repeat block. Drag and drop repeat block. Attach switch costume block to repeat block. Run the code. Bear is walking, but it's too fast. For this, we need to add wait block. Add wait block to the code area and adjust the time to 0.2 seconds. Run the code. Super. Attach switch costumes to block to repeat block. To check the output, run the code. Super. For better look, add background also. To add background, click on add background and select jungle. Now finally, add when flag clicked block. That's it. We are done. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please share your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We will meet again with new topic. Until then, happy coding.